to the base?
Yeah. Nice.
Z or Z?
Flower pot.
Z or Z? When you do your alphabet, do you say Z or Z?
Oh.
Did you just get beeped at?
I did get beeped at.
Why?
I didn't indicate. I'm at the front of the queue. What's the point indicating? There's no one like to affect, is there? So why bother? Alexi, give me some wheel screeching sound effects.
That's what you're gonna get.
And again, and again, and again. Right, ready? Try again. Ready? Hang on. He sounds like a dolphin. Not a dolphin, a sea lion. Thank you.
Yeah, let's not do that again.
Speed bump!
Careful of our bloody shopping.
Careful. Careful. Careful.
What?
He's got a VTEC sticker on the back of his sports van. Stopped in a bike box. You don't understand what VTEC is, do you? No.
No.
But there are people watching this who will understand and laugh along with me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
What are you doing?
She came from there and turned round.
So she didn't go around the roundabout properly then?
No, the bus was blocking it too far.
Well, she shouldn't have gone.
Well, no, she shouldn't
I'm going to have
gone.
to rewind and have a look. You're not going to park there, are you? You are. Yeah. Can we get some clappage, please? That's special, man.
I'll count to 5 and I hopefully name me with
Speed bump!
Go over the speed bump, Nan.
Alexei, take over, I've run out of breath. Oh, come on, Grandad. Go, man. Go, 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 go. There's nothing in front of you. Go, 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 go.
Oh my god, you're making me feel dizzy now. Can you just like pull over?
But the romance of it must never escape us, because for me the romance is the fuel to enhance that fascination. The romance is what gets me out of bed in the morning. I love looking at wildlife. I love interacting with them.
I don't know, just flicking through the radio and the romance, the first thing in the morning, oh, wildlife. Yeah, dirty animal fuck. Obviously it's out of context, but still it made me chuckle. First thing on a Monday morning. Oh, I romance animals, yeah. Morning, woodpecker. What a fantastic beak you've got. Let me suck it. If I was to get romantic with an animal, it would have to be one of those big black and white things. What are they called? Not polar bears, the other ones. You know, I want a panda. Panda, that's the one. I would have to get romantic with a panda because they're like big and cuddly, aren't they? They're just lush, man. There, what has my channel come to? I started off with bad driving videos and now we're talking about making sweet love to animals. Wow, wow. Oh, hello. Sorry, just forced me out of the way. That's cool. That's cool. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Oh, how are you not dizzy?
I am a little bit. That's a wet dog, isn't it?
It's a very wet dog.
I bet that stinks.
It probably does. No, we're not going to my nan and granddad's.
Why did you want to ask her?
But my friend, she's like, now's not a good time to ask. And I already asked her.
Why are we going to her nan's?
We're not going to my nan's.
Why?
Because they're on a fat argument.
Oh.
My grandma said it'd be nice, but she don't want to sing that.
Why do I find these Why do I find these things funny, man? The thing is, there's a perfectly good parking space on the correct side of the road, and then he's reversing at the path, blocking the whole thing so that poor man can't get past. I mean, how special can you get? Talking of special, we've got one behind as well, boys and girls. We've got a very special one. Talking of special, oh, he's a smoky little smoker as well. Ooh. Go on, do the red light, do the red light. You're a legend. Good parking. There's so much wrong with that parking. There's so much wrong with that, but good parking.
I was going to give you ferries tonight.
Oh no, I wish I could have ferries tonight.
Well, you
Put us! Ooh, was that the little car from Harry Potter? I think it might have been. Somebody correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but either way, that was pretty cool for 3 o'clock in the morning. And not bad. 3 o'clock in the morning? What are you doing at 3 o'clock in the morning, Benji? Well, I'm glad you asked that. It's because there's no one around and I get to drive in peace. There is nobody. I could take up the entire road all to myself. This road is owned by Benji, and I go out 3 o'clock in the morning every single morning because I've got nothing better to do with my life, and I just enjoy the peace. Even the lights change green for you. And it's just amazing, man. I love 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh, we've got some intelligence up ahead, boys and girls. We've got some super intelligence. Just in case you can't read words, yeah, there's a big pretty picture there to make you aware of what is going. You can't. Oh my god, some people are fucking idiots, aren't they?
What are you doing?
I was communicating with a doggy.
What is it doing?
Just imagine how they sound because they're fucking idiots. He looks at it and he's like, yeah, that says police there, but I'm going to park there anyway because I'm an idiot.
Special.
Yeah, special, baby girl. That's right. You're learning fast, aren't you?
Right now.
Right, what does a red light mean?
Stop.
And what does a green light mean?
Go.
Yeah, you're so clever. You're more cleverer than most of the drivers in Bristol.
Yeah.
Because they don't know the difference between red and green either. They stupid, some of them. Some of them are stupid.
Yeah, they keep going on the red light.
I know.
They drive on the red light.
I know. Can you say idiot?
Idiot.
Thank you. We'll be there soon, baby girl. It's alright. Oh no, why have you done that for? Why? Ugh.
Who?
Just, can you say impatient?
Impatient.
Now can you say stupid?
Stupid.
Thank you. Oh no, I don't like people like that, baby girl.
What people do that?
The people that want to turn right, but they stay in the middle of the road instead of positioning themselves to the right so no one else can get past. Oh, it upsets me.
It doesn't upset me.
It upset me.
But it doesn't upset me.
No, you're not driving though, are you? No, talk about take that corner wide and then block the road. You had no choice, did you, but to stop? Oh, baby girl, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Stop singing. Yes! Yes, that's really loud. You give me a headache. Laugh.
You're such a big kid, aren't you?
No.
You are.
Bye.